guys, I'm back again. I did my eyebrow previously, so we can dive in right away. So I finna use my contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills that I've had for a minute now. Next, I'm gonna use one of my favorite palette from Juvias place. I'm just gonna pick the colors so you can see instead of having me talking. Next, it's my favorite foundation ever, NARS. I think it's a full coverage because you barely have to use a lot for a full face. And let's stick to NARS. I'm gonna use the concealer. This is an old bright set from Sephora that I have that I barely use. I was like, why not? I'm just gonna let it bake and then just brush it off. Now I'm gonna use my Holy Grail Lancôme Dual Finish Powder. This right there is another of my favorite Juvias Place blush palette. I always seen people say make the fish mouth for a better application. There is no better way to do this. Can you see how those colors beautifully blend together? Shall we use some liquid liner from Anastasia Beverly Hills now, please? Let's put some goldy color. Now I'm gonna use Better Than Sex mascara from Tarte. For my lips, I'm just gonna use a regular eyeliner brown color from Lancôme. And to finish, a lip gloss from MAC for the shimmery. So I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna go put my head wrap on. And voila, this is the final result. I call this the Ramadan edition look.